Hey Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I was going to talk to you today about putting a new water pump on Bertha and what that looks like. But something came in the mail today that changed my mind, so I'm not going to record that video right now. I'm actually probably going to record that tomorrow, and that'll probably come out in the following week or two. Because what came in the mail today just got me really excited. I tested it out, I used it, it is awesome. If you remember my video from a few weeks ago saying about how I can't sharpen a knife, watch this. Look at that. There's hair coming off everywhere. Probably can't see that, but it's sharp. Check this out. Let's try this again, shall we? I'd say it's pretty sharp now. So what did I do? I got smart and listened to my subscriber comments, and they said, get you a WorkSharp, Yogi. So I did. Check it out. This is a strop. My wife got me this for Christmas. Pretty sweet too. This is not the canned onion version. This is just the regular WorkSmart or WorkSharp version. It comes with this fancy little guide. Comes with 6 belts, a coarse, a medium, and a fine belt, which I already screwed up one of the fine belts, and we'll talk about that in a minute. And also this guide. So it has 2 guides on it. This one here for kitchen knives, right there. And this one here, which does scissors and like field knives, meaning like your pocket knife, and or hunting knives or whatever. This one is 20 degrees. This is meant more for kitchen knives, like this one right here, my wife's kitchen knife. And if you look at this kitchen knife, I could probably, well, I know I can do this, and it ain't doing nothing. All right, let's stick it through, see if we can even pull it through. Here, let me get a hole started. Let me help it out. All right, there we go. We got a hole started for it. No, not sharp. Mama's been slicing, I don't know, concrete or something. So we're gonna try it out on that knife and this knife right here. This CRKT, given to me by my good friend James. It's still somewhat sharp, but not really all that sharp. It certainly is not shaving sharp. Let's see if we can get it shaving sharp. Maybe now Yogi can finally sharpen a knife. I just really wanted to let you know, people are like, get the WorkSmart, get the WorkSmart. And I was like, I ain't doing that. I mean, it's a belt sander. Come on now. I ain't sharpening my knife with a belt sander. And then I gave in. I went, okay, I'll try it. Let me tell you, I'm super excited and super glad I did. And that's why I really want to make this follow-up video to show you how this works. So we'll sharpen this one first. What we're going to do is put a medium grit belt on there. It's really easy to do. You push this down, click that sideways, pull this belt off. We're going to do the medium grit. Put this belt on. Pop this center wheel back up. There you go. That's how easy it is to change belts. Now you want to make sure that this freely spins. That's where I messed up with this one. I didn't quite catch both the wheels on the bottom here. So you want to make sure that freely spins. Plug it in, we'll give it a whirl. Give it a little test run. You can run, you push the trigger. It has a 2-way trigger. You push it this way, on, off. Push it this way, stays on. I'm not going to do the stay on. We'll just do the on off. Because that's the way they recommend on all the training videos. So that's what we're going to do. Now, if you watch people, what really convinced me to get this was really another YouTuber called Tyler Tube. He may not be the most tool knowledgeable guy in the world, but I saw him sharpen knives on his YouTube channel. And if he could do it, I figured I could do it. I don't want to disrespect him. He has a great channel. Love his channel. But he may not be the most mechanical guy in the world, but he's a smart fella. And if he can sharpen a knife with this thing, I figured that I probably could too. So let's try it out. So we're going to take this semi-sharp knife. We're going to do, according to this, We're going to do the 220 grit, 10 passes on each side, then the 6000 grit, which would be the purple belt, 10 passes on each side. Since I have never sharpened this one, it's already fairly sharp. The resharpen says 2 passes with this belt, 10 passes with this belt. So we're going to split the difference. We'll do 6 passes on each side, and then we'll switch belts, and then we'll see how sharp we got it. See if we can shave with it after we're done. So here we go. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 'All right. So I just had a very light grip on that. I didn't push down really. I'll just use the weight of it and pull it through. Very light grip on it. All right, so we're going to take this belt off. Polishing, belt on, the 6000 grit belt on. There you go, one little bump. Just make sure the belt is seated. All right, roughly 6 passes each side. Let's take our leather strap. Do 1, 2, 3, 9. All right. Let's test it out on some paper. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. All right, let's do the arm hair again. Yep. It's shaving sharp. Oh, baby. Shaved a good ball patch in my arm, didn't it? So in my last video, I said, I hated a dull knife. I really do. Now I don't have to worry about that anymore. The WorkSharp is the bomb. So to you subscribers who recommended that, thank you very much, because this thing is the bomb. It is the bomb. So supposedly the green ones are really meant for tools like axes, lawnmower blades, stuff like that. I'm almost half thinking I might just do a couple passes. Sorry, my dog's barking. I might do a couple passes on this with the green one, just because that blade is, I mean, seriously, bro. There ain't, I mean, it's freaking me out doing this, but there ain't, it's about a butter knife. It's about a butter knife. So since we're at butter knife level, let's do the green one. We'll do maybe 3 passes each side with the green. Make sure it's seated. Good to go. Okay. We'll put our kitchen knife guard on. Let's try Mrs. Yogi's kitchen knife. Put this in here like that. One. All right, 3 passes each side. Ay caramba. It's already sharp. Put the brown one on. All right, we're gonna do, let's do like 8 each side. All right, 8 each side done. Let's switch to the purple. All right, there's 8 on each side. Let's grab the strap. Let's drop it quick. All right, all done. Now's the test. Yeah. Let's see if it works. All right, question is though, can we shave with it? Yep, apparently we can. There goes the rest of my hair arm. Wow. So there you go, Yogi Clan. The belt grind, or the grinder, didn't work quite as planned. But you know what? That WorkSharp, I keep calling it WorkSharp. Holy cow. That is just, that blows my mind. I really did not think that that tool would be able to do that. So if you struggle sharpening knives like I do, that is the tool to buy. 60 bucks. So it's about 65 bucks. And that knife, you saw it. It was like, it was duller than a butter knife. Now, the one thing I will say is the sharpener stops about here. The blade goes back to here. So there's about 3/8, a quarter to 3/8 of an inch that it did not get. I might be able to get it deeper in there, but I don't know, because this handle will get hung up. So it didn't quite get this little, but you can kind of see it there. Didn't quite get that little edge down there. But dang, the part that it could reach, really from there all the way through, and literally took 2 minutes. Not even. 6 passes, what do we do? 2 passes or 3 passes on the green, 6 passes on the brown, and like 8 passes on the purple. And then 2 seconds on the, and then like 8 passes each side on the leather strap. Really did not take me long at all. And this knife was incredibly dull. So there you go, Yogi Clan. I hope this tip helps you. I know it helped me. Look, half the hair is gone on my arm now. Between this knife and this knife and this knife, just those 3 knives, just sharpening those 3 knives and having fun, I shaved half my arm. I can't believe it though. I just can't believe how sharp it is. That is just, wow. I have never made a knife so sharp. That's the sharpest I've ever been able to get a knife. Honestly, I really don't need it any sharper than that. So my wife likes Amazon a lot. So my litmus test is how well can it cut cardboard? Is my litmus test. And honestly, let's look. Because I'm all the time cutting up cardboard boxes to recycle them, cutting up Amazon boxes to recycle them. That does a heck of a job. Kitchen knife, heck of a job. So cardboard to me is more of a test than really paper. 'Cause I'm all the time cutting cardboard. Yeah, they're sharp. So there you go, Yogi Clan. I hope this helps you out. If you struggle like I do in sharpening knives, get you a WorkSharp. The thing is the bomb. That's all I gotta say. All right, y'all. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. I will catch you on the next video. Peace.